Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. So in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to create shortcuts in Snapchat. So let's get started. Now once you open the Snapchat application, you simply need to take a picture of whatever it is that you want to send to your friend, and once you've taken the picture you simply need to tap on the send to that is to the bottom right of the screen. Now at this point you need to tap in the search bar for the create shortcut option to appear, and you simply need to click on it, and it says right here use shortcuts to quickly select friends and groups. Choose a single emoji for each shortcut and you simply need to click on OK. Now once you've tapped on OK, you would need to select the person that you want to create the shortcut for, and once you've selected that person you need to tap on create shortcut that is to the center of the screen, and at this point you'd be required to select a single emoji for that person's shortcut. And you can pretty much do this for as many friends as you want, but that's pretty much how you go about creating shortcuts in Snapchat. So if you guys found this video useful, or if you enjoyed this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Also, please turn on your post notification so you'll be notified whenever I upload videos. Thank you guys so much for watching.